Welcome YouTube. Belkin back again today with another HP compact Cq60 laptop. You may have seen this laptop in a previous video that I will link up there, where I had shown how to fully disassemble this laptop. And that is when I had learned that the CPU is socketed to the motherboard. And that gave me the idea for this video. Upgrading that single core AMD Sempron to an AMD Turion dual core, maxing out our RAM to 4 gigs and plopping a cheap SSD inside. Please enjoy. But first, a quick unboxing of our components that we're going to use to upgrade this damn near 10-year-old laptop. So first up, we have ATEC DDR2 dual channel RAM. It's 4 gigs. There's 3 gigs in a laptop now, but I wanted matching sticks for dual channel. This you can find on Amazon. I found the link for it will be in the description. And the cost of this little kit was only $18 if you run around it up. So let's see what we got inside, shall we? Well, that looks pretty good. These are 800 megahertz speed. Wow, that seems kind of slow by today's standards. Not too shabby. I like the blue PCB that we have on there. Next up is from eBay. This is the AMD Turion 2 dual-core CPU. And then we have our cheap SSD from Amazon. This little guy cost a whopping $24. I like the packaging. It looks nice. What do we have inside? We have, oh cool, you get an SSD cable or a SATA cable. That's kind of cool, I guess. And you have the drive, a King Dion 120 gigs. It was only 25 bucks. I like this little screen print. Sounds like an aluminum outer shell. And in the box, we have a, if I can get it out, we have a thank you from the shop. That's pretty cool. And now on to the sped up teardown before we put our lovely components in. Like so. There's our CPU. And we're going to set this in. And setting this in again, pull us to the camera here. So when you look at this, you see this bottom right corner right here. You see how it's got a square to it. So let me demonstrate. You see how this has got an angle, this is an angle, this is a nice square. There's a triangle right here. As with any pin or PGA or LGA CPU, you want to line up the triangle on the CPU, which is the gold triangle right there. Line it up with this triangle right here. I'm doing this through the camera, so put it in there, lock it back down. I'll put that in there. Now this is a ZM82. So now we're gonna get our thermal paste. We're going to put some thermal paste on this, and then we're going to quickly reassemble. All right, folks, here we go. Let's see if we power on. And let's see, does it recognize our RAM and our new CPU? Oh, it sure does. AMD Turion dual core, and there's our 4 gigs of RAM. That's it. Now I can power this off, reassemble it, and we will be right back. Here we are at the end of this video. As you can see, my dual core is running, only 19%, 17%. I spent the previous night going through and doing some Windows optimization settings and orienting Windows 10 here more for performance than looks. So I've got like 3 tabs of Chrome open, or I can scroll through the pages pretty easily, like the stock market. Whoa, stock market went down. Maybe a good time to buy. Even YouTube. Let's play this YouTube video. We can play it in full screen. No video clipping. No screen tearing. No nothing. Full HD. Or not full HD, but HD. So yeah. After spending $50 on RAM, hard drive, and a new CPU, that's $50 total. Is this usable in 2018? Well, yeah. For simple web browsing, watching YouTube videos, checking your email, doing Word documents, stuff for school, yeah, it's very much usable. And it's easier. It's cheaper than it would be going to like Best Buy or Amazon and buying one of those $150 laptops. You'd get the same performance here. So that's all I have for today. Thank you guys. I hope this was informational. Enjoy.